Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to do a business card for a veneer company that makes veneer, which is really thin wood, and they want to do this right here. Well, they sent me this wood. It's 6x6, and it is a bitmap. Bitmaps can be page curl. It doesn't matter what you do. Let me take away the outline. If this is a rectangle, you can go Effects 3D and page curl, and you can page curl that. Well, you can also do it to a bitmap. All you have to do is select your wood, go up to Effects, 3D Effect, and page curl. Pretty cool effect. Now you can increase the width or the height and have it curl more. You can change the color. Give it a little shine. Let me get to they're evidently a printer, so I'm going to use CMYK. Let's go with a light brown. Wow, that's kind of a gold. Probably stick just with a light gray. I don't think you'd want black, even though black looks pretty good. But anyway, because it's a bitmap, well, I didn't mean to do that. You can go to Effects, 3D Effect, and Page Curl. And like I said, you can change the height. You can change the width, give it more of a curl, less of a curl. Do it horizontally, vertically. I don't know the difference between transparent and opaque. But anyway, then just hit OK and you have it. That'll be a pretty good effect. I don't know anything about printing, but I would probably go and do a little shiny color on it. Something like that. Maybe these are Pantoned, but I'm going to go with RGB because I know the color so much better. That looks pretty good. Anyway, I hope that helped them. Thank you for watching.